Kenny? To school, to Edendale Primary School.
I like the
So today we're going to start off by singing tenor play, and Kenny would like the second verse. No, it's not news time. Sorry. Now the second verse is going to be La La Classic. You need to stop because it's Kenny's party. Welcome to your